So the house, I love everywhere to be cleaned, maintained. It's because that I left early in the morning. If not, when I woke up in the morning, my first job to do is to take care of everywhere, to make sure that everywhere is neat, everywhere is well arranged. And before I start doing my daily activities, it is normal. That is how I do my work. Okay, let me carry the flowers and put it on in the center of this table. Okay, because I want to sweep the floor later. I bought some. This is a strawberry, fresh strawberry, and I just have to put it in the fridge or use it to do juice immediately because strawberry does not spend a lot of time. I bought a lot of fresh tomatoes. Very, very fresh because I want to be using it to make stew. I love using fresh tomatoes to make stew. Maybe I want to cook owo. Maybe I want to make pepper soup, you know, fresh one. I don't like the bottle one. Hey, you know, I went with my husband's mother. I didn't tell her she paid for everything. She does not want me to pay for anything. I bought onions. Oh, good. I bought orange. This is pack of orange. I want to be using them to make juice for my guests. Fresh, original fresh juice for my guests. That is what I will be doing. So I bought ample, fresh ample for juice. Very, very beautiful. This ample is really, really beautiful, guys. It's really beautiful. I bought a lot of kilo for fresh juice. Hi. Oh God, I'm going to be keeping them in the veranda. Then I bought fish because I'm going to be cooking today. So I bought fresh fish, very, very fresh, the way I like it. I was so happy that I bought fresh fish. I bought my cornflakes. It has been a very, very long time that I've eaten cornflakes. So I decided to buy one for myself today. So I buy this, what are they calling it? You call it tailor, all these rosemary, all these, I don't forget their name. So use it to cook jollof rice, to use it to boil your meat, to steam your meat. I bought fresh banana, very, very beautiful. I bought fresh banana, so I'm going to be maintaining them now to pick them. Onions, strawberry, and mushroom. I bought mushroom to make ogbono soup. You know, that is what I bought when I was coming back from the hospital today. So I just have to systemize everywhere and arrange all these food items because I have to cook today and I have a lot of work to do. And I still need to systemize. I still need to sew the clothes, the towels that I wash. So let's do it.